Assalamu alaikum. Hello my dear students, my dear learners. I am again present before you to take the spoken English class number 26. In this class, before starting my class, I wanna express to you that in my last class, which was very important to you, and this class was very special to me also, because in that class I have explained how a WH word is used in one way as framing questions, and in another way how is it used as conjunctions. Okay, I am giving just one example. What did you know from the man? What did you know from the man? লোকটির কাছ থেকে তুমি কি জানতে পারলে? Okay, and whenever what is used in conjunction, its meaning will change. Suppose whatever I cannot catch clearly. What do you want to say? Okay, I cannot catch clearly. আমি সহজে ধরতে পারিনি, ঠিক আছে, বা ধরতে পারি না. What you want to say? যা আপনি বলতে চান. So there are so many examples. So you will give more importance such type of class. Today I will explain to you WH words with prepositions. WH word with preposition is also vital, because there are some situations, there are some conditions where we cannot use just WH words. We will have to add, we must have to add preposition with our WH words. So how shall we use the WH words with prepositions? You should know you should have a clear knowledge about these situation, about these WH words with prepositions. First one, look at the first one. From where? From where means kotha theke. Kotha theke. Firstly, you should have a clear knowledge. Every student, listen carefully. Firstly, you should have a clear knowledge about the meaning of the WH word with prepositions. Then you can easily make sentence. You can easily frame questions. Suppose from here, কোথা থেকে তুমি বইটি সংগ্রহ করলে? Suppose one example, কোথা থেকে তুমি বইটি সংগ্রহ করলে? From where did you collect the book? From where did you collect the book? কোথা থেকে তুমি বইটি সংগ্রহ করলে? Or you can also make the questions in different type of way. That is, you can use the preposition at the end of the sentence. I am repeating, you can use the preposition at the end of the sentence. So this question will be like this: where did you collect the book from? Where did you collect the book from? কোথা থেকে তুমি বইটি সংগ্রহ করলে? So that means where from means কোথা থেকে. It will describe the place of the actions. For what? কি জন্য? So it is very easy. কি জন্য? For what did you go there? For what did you go there? কি জন্য তুমি সেখানে গিয়েছিলে? What for? You can also use what for, or what for did you help him? What for কি জন্য did you help him? তুমি তাকে সাহায্য করেছিলে. So there is no factor whether you are using for what or what for. Both are right. Hope you understand. Another example. Since when? কখন থেকে? কখন থেকে? Since when always describe the point of time from when your action has begun. Just point of time, not a period of time. It will always indicate the point of time. Suppose since when are you preparing your lessons? Since when are you preparing your lesson? কখন থেকে তোমার পড়া প্রস্তুত করছো, কখন থেকে তুমি পড়া রেডি করছো। সিন্স হোয়েন কখন থেকে বা কখন হইতে। আর ইউ প্রিপেয়ারিং ইওর লেসন্স অর হ্যাভ ইউ বিন প্রিপেয়ারিং। You can also use have you been preparing. Since when have you been preparing your lessons? It is mostly used in present perfect continuous tense. In other tense you can also use, that's no matter, but it is mostly used in present perfect continuous tense. Whenever you will give answer, suppose আমি সকাল 6টা থেকে পড়া প্রস্তুত করছি, I have been preparing my lesson, I have been preparing my lessons since 6 am. Okay, hope you understand. Until when, কতক্ষণ পর্যন্ত, কতক্ষণ পর্যন্ত। This sentence is also, this WH portions is also used in present perfect continuous tense and in other tenses, other sentences. Since when, until when, কখন থেকে কতক্ষণ পর্যন্ত, have they been playing. Since when, until when কতক্ষণ পর্যন্ত have they been playing, তারা খেলতেছে। ওকে, কতক্ষণ পর্যন্ত তুমি কাজটি করবে। Until when will you do the work? Look at this sentence, two sentences very clearly. Since when means কখন থেকে। Since when have you been preparing the lessons? I have been preparing the lessons since 6 am or 7 am. You can answer like this. So since when is mostly used in present perfect continuous tense, but until when in maximum case it will be used in future tense. In any other sentence it can be used, that's no matter, but in future tense until when is mostly used. Until when will you do the work, কতক্ষণ পর্যন্ত তুমি কাজটি করবে। Until when will you teach them, কতক্ষণ পর্যন্ত আপনি তাদের শেখাবেন। So such type of sentence will be used in future tense whenever you will make questions with until when. So this type of sentence are mostly used, and sometimes it is used in another sentence also. That's why I have given here a example. That's no matter. And since when always will always describe the point of time. For how long, কতক্ষণ ধরে। For how long, কতক্ষণ ধরে। So your sentence will be like this. For how long For how long have you been learning English? তুমি কতক্ষণ ধরে ইংরেজি শিখছো। For how long, কতক্ষণ ধরে। So its Bengali meaning কতক্ষণ ধরে। Okay, for how long have you been learning English? কতক্ষণ ধরে তুমি ইংরেজি শিখছো। So such kind of sentence will be formed by using for how long. From when, that means কখন থেকে, কখন থেকে। Okay, from when can be used in present tense, in past tense and future tense. Whenever you make necessity, you feel necessity, you can use from when. Suppose an example I am giving here, you can follow it. From when will you start the work? From when, কখন হইতে will you start the work, তুমি কাজটি শুরু করবে। Okay, so these are the main uses from where কোথা থেকে, from where did you collect the book, কোথা থেকে তুমি বইটি সংগ্রহ করলে, for what কি জন্য, for what did you go there কি জন্য তুমি সেখানে গিয়েছিলে, what for that is the same conditions, since when কখন থেকে, it always describe the point of time, until when কতক্ষণ পর্যন্ত, suppose until when it is mostly used in future tense, and since when is mostly used in present perfect continuous tense. For how long it is that means কতক্ষণ ধরে, and from when কখন থেকে. So whenever you will make practice, you should concentrate on the meaning of the words. Hope you understand. You will give more importance in my every classes, and then you will have no problem. Hope you understand. Thank you so much. God bless you all.